Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to tell you how do you secure this one-to-one personal WhatsApp support that we are going to offer to you uh, as a Go High Level bonus, and in fact by the Go High Level expert, as well as 127 snapshot, as well as whatever that you will wish to get. So let me just quickly jump onto. Let me just live show you how does the person get it. Like here is my WhatsApp. Let me just quickly show you the GHL support. As you can see, individual personal GHL support group I happen to make. Like for example, GHL support with this guy, GHL support with this guy, who all are added, me personally and my Go High Level expert, as well as the person. So just imagine anytime that they are facing the issues initially while the setup, like or arranging for the call with my expert. Of course, the call is arranged so that all your setup will be done, or any kind of question like the workflow setup or the website building, initial things, whatever that you would need in order to succeed. Like the person, we are there live on the WhatsApp support to help you. Nowhere else do you get this. Why? Because like, okay, you just get one call, and then when you face the problem, how do you connect? You drop the email, or probably, I mean, it takes a time, but on the WhatsApp right away you get connected. And even if you don't have the WhatsApp, via the email we can coordinate. One-to-one personal call is arranged onto that, as well as 127 snapshot. Before showing you how does the 127 snapshot look like, let me tell you where do you get this bonus. abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, this is the website. I'm going to pop up the link here, and there you have the links to sign up to the either to the 30-day free trial of Go High Level, or upgrade to the $297 plan, or upgrade to the $497 plan. Either of the way, like you just click the link from this website, and you sign up or upgrade, and that's it. Just email us after that at abdullah@abdullahzai.com. We are going to just right away form the WhatsApp group. Make sure you send your WhatsApp number as well, so that we form the group, so that next communication we can have on the WhatsApp group, as well as email you all the snapshots. By the way, let me just quickly show you how does the snapshot look like. By the way, this is the folder link. As you can see, the Go High Level communities and the coaching is snapshot, agency snapshot. This is the snapshot set one. Let me just open the set one. This would be something like this one: flooring, dentist, restaurant, financial advisor, home care, divorce, wedding. I mean, you just name it. And similarly, even the other snapshot set two, you have all the snapshot set. Amazing, guys. Like literally, these are worth $14,000 plus. Like people are selling. I mean, if you just try to search the coaching snapshot, for example, you would find people are selling it for $1,000 plus, just one snapshot. And here you're getting 127 snapshot plus, completely free, as well as one-to-one personal WhatsApp support. I really believe that this is justice, more than justice, to you using somebody's link to sign up for the Go High Level. Now let me tell you, like, some of the people happen to keep on, like, they ask that, man, I've already signed up to the Go High Level and I don't intend to upgrade at this point of time. What shall I do? How can I get these snapshots? So we have devised one more easy way for you guys. All you have to do is just put our referral code onto the AI employee, and most of the people like can do that. It doesn't mean you have activated AI employee, by the way. In the future when you use it, only then it is activated. Right now, putting the code, it doesn't mean anything. So where do you get this? Is the agency dashboard. You click on the settings, you click on AI employee, and then you click on manage offer, and there you go. Here you can see FP reference is equal to, there is some link. So here you put AIBONUSCS. This is our code, by the way, AI bonuses, and click on apply. The moment that you do that, it doesn't mean that you have activated this, because this is only activated when your sub accounts start using it, right? So right now you haven't activated it. That means you just enter the code, and that's it. You just email us at abdullah@abdullahzai.com. Right away, we are going to send you all the snapshot set, plus one more snapshot. Like there is a voice AI agent that sells itself, like that. I'm going to give it to you separately. You just request to me, as well as future snapshot. Like whenever I get a new snapshot, I keep giving to my people. So guys, definitely it is going to help. Just use the link, go to the link abdullahzai.com/snapshots and sign up to the Go High Level, and you are going to get all these support, which I just told you, personal support to get you kick started, to make you a lot of money with the Go High Level. Once you get kick started, once you start finding the clients, as well as you can just enter into the AI employee of a code. And that's it. I'll keep it short and concise. And as well as I have made just a quick descriptive video for this, promotional description video, and I'm going to just paste it in the end. So do watch the video regarding the same thing, like just a promotional video with little effects. And I'll see you in the on the WhatsApp once I receive your WhatsApp, or once I receive your email. I wish you guys all the best. Bye bye. See the promotional video. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.